Hello, it is it's February. It's February 1st, 2024. Today we're gonna go through this TryHackMe room. I did this one yesterday. It took me like an hour or two, but I'll go over the solution right now. So you're supposed to find two flags in this, one in user.txt and one in root. So looks like we're gonna have to first break into the SSH and then escalate user permissions. We got the IP right here. Let's run it through nmap. So we're gonna do nmap this. Oops. I'm gonna copy this again. I'm gonna use a map. Actually, let's do this, and then we find there's two ports. Let's open the HTTP one. I can just copy and paste it. Okay. So let's follow the white rabbit. I didn't know what that meant, so I ran derb. Okay. Derb HTTP and we let it run. This is the part where I fast forwarded. This shit takes forever. Welcome to the video on.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Is it recording right now?
Is live.
On Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook Live.
I'm gonna try and print out this.
What's chat saying?
What?
What's chat saying, then?
What?
What's chat saying?
Trout?
Chat.
Dude, they're hyped. I'm getting $50
There's no
every
chat.
Okay, so we found another one. It starts with, it's R/A. It says keep on going. What word starts with R and A? What word starts with R and A?
Like RA something?
What?
Ranch?
What animal starts with R and A?
Rat?
What animal with two big ears start with A? R and A. And eats carrots.
Rabbit?
That's what I was thinking. So we do R/A/B/B/I/T, and we find this. No password here. We're gonna do inspect element, and we find a hidden thingy with the password to Alice. So we're gonna take that and SSH in. So, oops, wrong one. We take, oh my god, I clicked the wrong one again. Okay. We're gonna SSH Alice at 10.10.84. There we go. And we plug it in. Why is it so slow? Okay. Nice. We are in Alice at Wonderland. Let's see what's up. We have root.txt over here for some reason. Looking at the hint for this one, we see that everything is upside down in here. So if root.txt is in here, then where would user.txt be? Let's check root. Oh my god, we found the flag. Okay, this part took me too long. and I had to search it up how to do this part. But I guess that's how it works. Like, I don't understand why you could see into it if you can't even see the, oh, you can. And if you can't even list out stuff in here. But anyways. Nice. We also see that we have a Python script, so let's look at it. So in here we have a script that imports random, okay, and that's all it does. Let's run it, Python 3. It runs, blah 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 blah. This script doesn't really give us a hint as to where the next key is, but we see there's different users. So what we do is we also see that it imports the random library. So there's actually a way for us to abuse that. What we do is we create our own random. So what we do is we do nano random.py. We create our own. This is how you do a Python inject. We import OS, and then we do os.system, and then we run /bin/bash. This runs the bash script for the user. And if I should have shown this earlier, but if we check sudo.list, oops, shit. I forgot the password. We list sudo, we can see that we run the Python script as the user rabbit. So this way we can escalate into rabbit. And now that we have random.py, this imports OS and runs bin bash. This will run as the user rabbit. So what we do is we just run this right now. Oh, we have to say it's rabbit. So sudo user rabbit, I believe. And then we do /bin/python 3. And then let me double check my notes. Okay. And then we run walrus and hop away. And we cannot find it. So what we're gonna do is how to run Python script as another user Linux. Bad. There we go. And now you can see we are a rabbit. Very nice. So let's see what we got going on here. We have this Tea Party script. So we're gonna read this. Let's see what type of file it is. It is a set UID, so this is probably how we'll escalate again. So let's take a look and see what we can find in here. Okay, so we see here, welcome to the Tea Party. The Mad Hatter will be with here soon, probably by date. And the problem is that it doesn't take date from like a specified path. It just says date whenever, and so that means we could run it from pretty much anywhere if we change the path. So that is exactly what we're gonna do.
No, like instead of being like this, they're like this.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna export the path like this equals /tmp, and what we do is we specify that there's a custom path here, and we want to see I don't know how to check path. Okay, it's echo path. Okay, so now the path is set to tmp, and what we're gonna do is cd into /tmp, and we're gonna create our own date file. So we're gonna nano date. Okay, it doesn't like that, but whatever. So we're gonna do, I forgot how to set it as JavaScript. It's like this. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what we do. Okay, I'm a genius. What can I say? So what we're gonna do is go back into home/rabbit, and we're just gonna run the script. And it doesn't work. So what we're gonna do is, that's the problem. We didn't make date a executable file. So to do that, we do change mod 777 date, and now this should be good. So what we're gonna do is cd into /home/rabbit, and we're gonna run tparty. Very nice. So now we're the header. We've gone from Alice to the header now, which is very good. And this should be the final level. So let's take a look at what we have. We have a password.txt file, so let's take a look at that. This is probably the password for the header user, so we're gonna copy the selection and start our own here. And what we're gonna do is SSH header at 10.10.84.114, and it doesn't like that because it did a typo. I'm plug that in ls. Okay, nice. So we're gonna check our commands and find that we legit cannot run anything. So we're gonna use this new tool called linpeas, which is like an exploitation tool. We're gonna exit from here completely, and what we're gonna do is list we have to upload this linpiece sh into here because it doesn't like downloading files on here. So what we're gonna do is Python 3, I already wrote it yesterday, but we're gonna start an HTTP server at the port 9000 here. This way we will be able to download the linpiece. And we can see our IP at the top right here, 10.8.23.135. So what we're gonna do is wget 10.135 at port 9000, and we're going to try to get the file linpeas.sh, and we have it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the change mod of linpiece, and we're going to run One piece. We have a jump scare of this P. In the video. Okay, so it's done. We're gonna take a look. We find this bright orange text. We see there's a problem with the pearl, and let's see, there's a pearl and it says capability set UID plus blah 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 blah. So we're gonna take a look at this. Pearl exploit. File not found. Fuck. Okay. Let's take a look here. Blah 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 blah. We see if the binary has a look. We can try out all of these, I guess. But the thing is, we don't have sudo permission, so none of these work. None of these work. We can try this one. I don't think we have permission to run Peril though. Oh, I guess we do. I'm still header though, so that doesn't work. We want to get to root, so we're gonna use this. And change it to just Peril. We see who am I am root. Very nice. So therefore we have escalated to root, we win. Let's take a look at Alice again. cd/home/Alice, list cat root.txt, oops. And we see the final flag. So yeah, this is definitely a medium. I learned a lot while doing this, especially linps and hosting your own server to get it to download. But yeah, this was a fun room. I learned a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, I'll see you tomorrow.